Welcome back to the Modern Scholars channel, a great place to learn. My name is Latasha and I'm one of the co-founders of Kash-In. Today I'm going to show you how to add students to your class and how to reward them.
It's just different.
Okay, really quickly, I'm going to show you how it looks from the student side on how to register. So the student will register the same way as the teacher will. It is important that you give them the access code to that class. So when you made a class, you created an access code. So the students that belong in that class, ensure that they have that code. They will fill it out the same thing as normal. Make sure that they write down their password and remember their password. Now, when they get ready to create or choose a file or a picture, I suggest them saving a bit emoji or some kind of avatar like that to make it easier for you. So they will register, and when they register, they're going to pop up in your class. So again, we should already know how to do all that. And now if I go to my students, here goes all my students that are enrolled in that class. Now, to assign behaviors, the fun part now. Now that you have finished everything else, let's go ahead, let's get to that part. So I can select one student. So it doesn't matter. So I can just assign behaviors to one student. So this student completed their homework, and I can just go assign, and that behavior is assigned, and it sends them the money or the cash. Or if I want to reward multiple students, okay, I can select my box. Maybe point guard shouldn't get it, but I have those two that I want to reward. I would click on my dots, assign behaviors, and I can assign multiple behaviors. So let's say they were the reading champs. Let's say that they completed their homework, and let's say I caught them running in the hall. Same thing, I will press assign, and it goes to both students. Okay, and that's pretty much it on your end. Let me show you how it looks on the student's end. So here goes one of my students. So as you can see, she has $212 in her bank account. And so from there, she can make purchases. So now I can go to my products on my store. Okay, now she can see all of the incentives of the products, or if she just wants to particularly look at my class, she can select classes based off their incentive store, and she can purchase. I want to purchase one quantity for $12.50. Purchase, ordered, place. Now, if I'm a teacher, in order to view that or look at that, I can go to my orders. And I see that she purchased a movie day for $12.50. So that means I'm ready to go ahead and give her product or her ticket or whatever the case may be. You can see each time a student purchases. Same thing with transactions. You can see each transaction that went out your account or comes into your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, be safe, be kind, be smart.